What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Milady, Memecoin fam, ladies fam, we are back with another video for you guys. In this one, if you hold ladies, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Blow this video up, guys. Let's get ladies trending. Let's make ladies go viral. And always remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose into any project. Go rewatch these ladies videos that I've been posting, guys. Go show support to the previous ladies videos I've made. Go rewatch them, blow them up, let them get into the algorithm, so when people open up YouTube, right, as soon as they open YouTube, the first thing they see on their recommended page is ladies. And guess what happens? You got more people coming into the space. New people come into the space, they get in a bag of ladies, they join in the community, and the community grows. So does the project, right? Right now we're looking a little bit, you know, a little okay, man. We're looking a little okay today. Up 2%, $20.2 million in market cap, $3.3 million in 24-hour trade volume. Still very nice volume for ladies, guys. That's one thing I've noticed, is that the ladies volume still remains in a good place, right? It remains in a great place. Ladies just below SNEC, which is I think a Cardano meme coin. But look at the volume on ladies compared to like a lot of these other projects that are above ladies, right? And this is why I say more tier 1 exchange listings could be in the works for ladies, because of all the volume that is generating, man. People are trading ladies, I guess, because of the options platform that, you know, ladies made available to everyone, you know, a few weeks ago, right? And $3 million in volume compared to just 700k, a million, 400k, 900k. It's insane that ladies is below these projects as far as market cap, because it's a newer project. I remember Rich Quack, I remember a couple of these, for example, like Leash, for example. Ladies should definitely be above Leash as far as market cap goes. I know it's part of the Shiba ecosystem, but come on, ladies is fresh, it's new, it has something new going for it. It has more, you know, it has less underwater holders, it got more price discovery in the project, it got more volume, it got the NFTs as well that are growing in market cap. A lot going for ladies, man, in my opinion, right? And you can see right here on Uniswap, still 158k in volume on the DEX, 260k in volume. Gate.io 196k. That's why we this is why I titled the video that the way I did, and also put it in the thumbnail, like Gate.io is pretty bullish on ladies as well. They recently just mentioned ladies, and I'll dive into that for you guys. Look at that, crypto.com, 100k in volume on crypto.com. There's other altcoins on crypto.com that don't even get that amount of volume from ladies, you know, from their projects. There's a ton of other altcoins on crypto.com that's not getting that type of volume, whereas ladies, the meme coin, is getting that type of volume, man. Don Dino, ladies, if they're indeed Chinese, this thing is going to pop off hard in the year of the dragon. I'm bullish on ladies from C4 Crypto Runner. I'm bullish on ladies. Fat Man, I'm bullish on ladies. Crypto Renegade, ladies has yet to experience a bull market. If you want a 10x, buy $1 billion crypto project. If you want 100x plus, buy low caps. And that's exactly my mindset, man. DJ Awesome, I'm feeling good about ladies. Crypto Crip, have a feeling whales will start buying heavy very soon. Crypto Runner, going to the moon. I've been telling y'all. Dino, I'm bullish on ladies. Frank, ladies, I told you would regret soon. I think he means not buying the dip. I think he was bullish. Well, I don't know if he's bearish or not. That doesn't matter. The bears could say whatever they want about ladies. They could be bearish if they want. We're having a nice little pop-up. I'm guessing Bitcoin is making a move up. Oh, it's not. It isn't. What? It's not making a move up. Okay. That's pretty good for ladies. Let me see. Yeah, Bitcoin is actually at 29,200. Yo, Bitcoin has what happened? Who cheated Bitcoin, guys? Who cheated Bitcoin? I remember it was just at 29,830, just on its way to 31,000, man. The swings in crypto. This is why you just gotta hold, because the swings in crypto are just insane. Like, we just see these swings happen like constantly, and if you worry about short-term price action, you're gonna lose out on gains, man. One of my biggest mistakes in crypto, from making like 100k, I made some gains on a Doge chain, which is the layer 2 blockchain of Doge. I made some gains on there, and they had an altcoin that I had a bag of, and I was like, I don't have enough, so I literally made gains on there, and I was like, okay. It didn't even cross my mind to buy back into the project, because I got so distracted with other things, because I was like, oh, that project is, the price action is so boring, it's not doing anything. Months later, boom, to start 2023, 6 figures in crypto, guys. That's why you gotta hold, man. Don't worry about the boring price action, guys. Don't be like me. If you have conviction on a project, diamond hand it, and take, like, when you're diversifying, don't take money out of a project to put it in the next project. Just leave that money in that one project. If you lose it, who cares? You invested an amount that you are willing to lose, and then take more money from, fresh funds for next project. That's how you got to do it, man. Because you're gonna get distracted. You're gonna sell out of projects too early that are, could potentially send in the future. Then you're gonna kick yourself and be like, dang, why didn't I buy back in, or why didn't I just hold this project? So don't be like me, man. So yeah, it's great to see that Ladies is up 2.3% on the 24-hour. I hope we continue to pump, man, especially since we're bullish against Bitcoin. I hope we continue up from here, man. Like I said, people on crypto.com are looking for a new meme coin. They're looking for some new meme coins to get their hands on. We saw what Mars did in the last bull cycle, guys. Mars was one of the few meme coins, along with Shiba, in the last bull market. Let me go back to it. That got listed on crypto.com, Mars, and it did really well. It did extremely well, man. Like, what market cap did it go to? Look at this. It went all the way to $1.2 billion in market cap. From what market cap? Look at that. Just around the same market cap that Ladies is. 26 million. And Ladies is at 20 million right now. And it had this huge run up all the way to $1.2 billion in market cap. See that? And that was in this phase right here, this accumulation phase, this sideways trend. It got listed on crypto.com in that time frame, and then a lot of people started to buy it, man. It went crazy. So that's what I'm saying. Like, there's gonna be people that literally just buy from crypto.com and are in the Kronos ecosystem, that loves that new investor is gonna come into the retail investors are gonna come into the space. They've never heard about crypto. They sign up to crypto.com. This is their first time buying crypto. They're super ecstatic. They see meme coins. They see the meme coins. They're like, oh, look at this. Oh, this is cool. They don't understand nothing about utilities and none of that, but they see the meme coin is pumping 100%, 300, 400%. What do? They FOMO into the meme coin, right? That's what's gonna happen. I'm telling you guys. And it's like I said, because of the crypto.com listing, Ladies is being on there, I think it's gonna, outperform a lot of other meme coins, in my opinion, okay? Could be wrong, obviously. But yeah, let's take a look at the official Twitter. 65.7k followers on Twitter. Ladies is immortal, Ladies is enchanting, Ladies is divine, Ladies is celestial, mystical, bewitching, miraculous, transcendent, everything you want. And we always got to start off with the good morning tweets. Oh my gosh. Just keep the activity going, man. See if you could do some more updates, Ladies community members. See if you guys could, the top community members or the team, whatever you want to call it, see if you guys could do a lot more, man. I think a lot of the trade volume is coming from Bit Crypto Exchange because of the options trading, which is very nice to see. Tier 1 exchanges, what do they look for? Volume. Ladies has a very nice amount of volume compared to a lot of other meme coins. And getting into it right here from Gate.io, man. Look at this. Gate.io, Q2 listings. check out all of our new listings right here, and look at this, ladies, right, getting some attention once again, getting chill from the top exchanges once again, man. Obviously there's a ton of other meme coins, but you know, from what I've seen, I don't think a lot of them have that staying power. I'll be real with you. I think ladies does. I'll be real with you. I think ladies does have that staying power. Just everything that's surrounding it. Plus, the Elon tweet is there forever. Just like Baby Doge, right? Baby Doge got an Elon tweet and it was there forever. Ladies got an Elon tweet that is there forever. Unless he deletes it, which I don't think he will. I think like 100 million people saw that tweet, right? So when they get into the space, hopefully Elon makes another tweet that's in the bull market. That's gonna be insane. Trend Slinger just bought ladies 1.5 billion coins and put it in KuCoin savings account with a daily compound interest of 0.5%. That is average profit of 7.5 million coin. Auto reinvest daily, and this is the new hype coin. Why not get in early and make free coin money? See that? I didn't even know you could do that on KuCoin. Nice. You know, earn some interest on your coins, but I don't really like to keep my coins on centralized exchanges. Maybe I put up a little bit of my bag there to earn some interest. But that's pretty nice, man. See that, guys? That is pretty nice. We got people tweeting about ladies constantly. Cryptoverse Wizard. Here are some of my gems for the weekend that is getting close, and ladies is one of them, guys. You know, ladies is one of them, next to, like, you know, Cass and Dag. What? Dion, Pepe. Yeah, man. Bullish on ladies, guys. Bullish on the lady meme coin. Let me get your thoughts. If you hold ladies, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral. Link to the Patreon is in the description if you want to support or get access to all of my buy alerts that I don't share on YouTube, right? All that exclusive content is on Patreon. Thank you guys so much for tuning in as always, and I'll catch you in the next one.